political, socio-economic conversation that is happening right there. I think that's where the problem is brewing in. I want to recommend and call Honorable Mduduzi Gauzela Smelane with the SWALIMO, Swaziland Liberation Movement, to say, find it in your spirit, humble yourself. If you need some help, we can make ourselves available and see how best we can speak to the opposite parties to find this middle ground so that we can build Swaziland, Swati, the way we want it to be. Because at the end of the day, they will pack up their bags and they go back to their own countries, and they will remain, we will remain in our countries, which is falling apart. I would like to send my solidarity to the nation of Swaziland, Eswatini. I want to send my sincere, heartfelt support to the organizations that are speaking for dialogue, that are advocating for dialogue, that are advocating for community conversations. And there's no one who will build the country but the owners of that country. Ilizwe lagiwa ngabanikazi balo. Ilizwe lilungiswa ngabanikazi balo. The country is built by those that live in it. Therefore, it is important that when we have cooked our meal as a family, we put the food on the table, we all cut pieces, we eat together. So one person cannot take the whole big cake and they eat by themselves while others are busy drinking soup and etc. I have a word of encouragement to the nation of Swaziland. Eswatini, be strong, stand firm, don't lose your faith, don't lose your culture in the midst of advocating and running for things that we don't know. But from the Royal House also, I want to say, let's open up the door of conversations. Let's have this conversation around the table. That's how I've always known the Swazi nation to be like. And with those few words, we want to recommend and advocate for peace. Put down the weapons. The police officers, the soldiers, put down the weapons. Fakanitikali pansi, akukhulunyiswa, abantu abakhulunyisane. Let's find a solution. And if the people are willing to talk, I think the king must be willing to listen. With those few words, I want to encourage the Swazi people, build your nation, for at the end of the day, if you destroy your nation, your children